Let's uncover the journey of a modern hairdryer, from raw components to a finished product. It all begins with a single command, activating a symphony of automated precision. The heart of the device is its high-speed motor, assembled here by robotic arms with incredible accuracy. To ensure performance, every single component is subjected to rigorous automated electrical testing. Only parts that meet exact standards move forward. Advanced robotics, guided by precise positioning algorithms, handle delicate tasks like micro-welding. This level of accuracy is essential for the product's long-term reliability. Meanwhile, skilled technicians oversee the process, blending human expertise with machine precision. The durable outer shell is created through high-pressure injection molding, but innovation is also internal, with clever engineering designed to dampen motor vibration and significantly reduce noise. Finally, every finished product is stress-tested for thousands of hours in extreme heat and cold to guarantee its durability. This entire process is driven by expert engineers who use aerodynamics to create powerful, efficient airflow. The factory itself is a smart, interconnected system with real-time data monitoring every step to maintain peak quality and efficiency. From a high RPM motor to a fully assembled product, this is a journey of precision manufacturing and relentless innovation, all packed into a powerful tool for everyday